Hi guys, it's Coach Gravely. Hey, your new assignment is up. It's called Coloring Pages. Once you click on it, you have several things. You need to watch the color basic theme and exploring color rules. Um, they're short, but you need to watch them. And then you are going to go to the animal folder here and you're going to click on it. And it's going to give you a very huge amount of uh, decisions you're going to have to make, but you're going to have to choose which one you want to do. Then you're going to select a picture, and you must have at least 6 colors. And remember, you've watched Exploring the Coloring the Rules, so you're going to have to create a decide if you're going to use analogous, triad, or complementary, compound, or shades in your picture. Now, it might be a little bit different and hard to do in Photopea.com because you're not going to have as it won't be as easy to create with the opening up the shades or the color swatches, and you'll have color, but you'll have to kind of really have to play with it. I'm going to suggest you use 3D Paint, which I will show you how to do. It is very simple, very easy. It is on your student laptop. So, but if you don't have a student laptop, but you do have a Windows 10, you have this as application, and if you don't, then just use the other options that I have given you. Uh, the GIMP, your iPhone, you can download Photoshop Express. It's free. Um, 3D Paint or the Android, you can do this. And there are very easy ways of doing this. So uh, right now, what I'm going to show you how to do is how to do it in uh, uh, the Photoshop, the online Photoshop. So here, you're going to go to File, Open, and then of course, as you see, we've got many choices here to make. Yes, we've probably done this before, but I thought it would be cool to kind of be something simple to do. Um, so let's just say I choose the dolphin. We're going to open it up. And then, as I said before, you have the swatches here, and then you also have color here. So it just depends on what you're wanting to do, and you can create your own palette here. It might be easy just figuring it out, but it's up to you. To zoom in, I'm going to hit Control Plus, and I am going to also come down over here on the tools, and it will be under the gradient tool. Then I'm going to hit the bucket, and then I'm just going to start painting. And please make sure that you are using um, different colors, and there should be somewhat of a pattern or a different color pattern throughout your picture. I should not see 2 or 3 colors. I should see 6 different colors in your picture. So make sure you do that. All right, so this is the uh, Photopea online. Let's show you how to do it in 3D Paint. Well, 3D Paint is on your student laptop. It's right here, and I already have it open. So we're going to go here, and we'll go to Menu. And when you're ready to open, you just hit Open, and then you'll go to Browse Files. And it's the same thing. It's just the same thing. So if I want to open up, let's say the crab, I hit Open, and then you have all these different type of tools over here: the brush, the watercolor, all that kind of stuff. We're going to use the paint bucket. It's much easier to use. You have different types of glosses that you want to use. I don't really care which one you want to use. It's up to you. Um, and then you can use different types of all or color. The thing that's neat is that you can slide this really quick and getting close. And so now you can just start painting away. And when you're done, save as an image, and then turn it in. It's real simple. It's really easy to do, and so it's something you can do on your student laptop. So if you have Windows 10 on your own device, you should have this. If you have something similar, it's pretty the same way to do it. So hopefully you enjoy.